guys, this is my garden. I'm harvesting chili right now. Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about my hobby, which is gardening. As you can see in my garden, there are many types of plants such as chili, pak choy, coriander and cucumber. I also have eggplant and spring onion. Just to let you know, even though this is my hobby, I'm also taking it as a gardening experiment. For the chili to grow from seed up to like this, it takes about 100 days from seeding tray to vertical tower. In my opinion, planting chili in vertical tower using coco peat was a successful hobby and experiment for me. Look at this and the result behind me. I'm also experimenting planting cucumber in the normal soil and the results are outstanding. Look at the cucumber, it's starting to fruit. Same thing goes to the eggplant. I'm planting in normal soil too. It's also starting to give flower pots. For your information, in the past, farmers require a very big field to plant their vegetables, and that is being practiced until today. But I'm using a modern way to plant my vegetables, which is part of my experiment. As part of my hobby in my gardening experiment, I have my own vertical tower, which has various types of plants such as spring onion, mint leaf, tomato, many pak choys, and chili. In my gardening experience, planting in vertical tower like this saves space and gives great produce. As part of my hobby, I've also planted tomato plants in this whole vertical tower. These plants are 2 weeks old. Let's see how it grows in the future. As you all know, watering all these vertical towers are not easy, so I've automated the watering system. I'm using Fertigation watering system to water all these towers. This is how the watering system works. As you can see, this bucket is filled with water mixed with fertilizers. And in the bucket, there's a water pump, and this is the water pressure gauge to control the flow of water. As you can see here, this is the pipe. Every vertical tower has this. This is the dripping system. Now I'm going to talk about the fertilizers I use for my plants, which is AB fertilizers. This fertilizer is normally used by many farmers around the world. One more thing I'm going to tell you about the gardening is using pesticide for the plants to protect insects from attacking your plants. You can buy pesticides from nurseries. I already mixed the pesticide with water into this bottle. Now I'm going to spray my plants. You must spray pesticides to your plants so that it will protect your plants. Otherwise, you won't get a result like this. Apart from vertical tower, I'm also using hydroponic system to plant my plants. I've planted pak choy, chili, tomato, and mint leaf. For the hydroponic method, all we need to do is cut the bottle and flip it over like this, and then we must put the wick system. Then we need to fill AB nutrition in here and put coco peat here. After that, we transfer the plants here. So the wick system will absorb the water and transfer it to the plant. We can keep this for 2 weeks without doing anything. Now I'm going to show you how I pluck some chilies. Enjoy watching. Okay guys, that's the tour around my garden. I hope you all learn gardening from me. Gardening is a great hobby. So if I can do it, you also can do it. Wish you success and good luck. Bye.